Good evening everyone. Today through this video we are going to learn how to create PDF using your mobile phone. For that, first of all we need to download any scanning app from Play Store. Just tap on the Play Store icon and you can search over here scanner apps. You'll get a number of options over here. As you can see, you can download any one of them. If you have already downloaded, I'll show you how to use it. Right now I'm going to use this document scanner because I have already downloaded it, so it is showing me to open. I'll open it, and after you will find this camera icon. Just tap on it to open the camera, and now you can place your books, copies, document, whatever you want below the camera. Take a snap. You can adjust the corners as per your wish, how you want to adjust, by simply moving your fingers on the screen. When you feel that you have adjusted, if you want to filter, you can filter also from here. This is the option. You can choose the different styles, whatever you want. OCV black, sharp black, color 1, or color, or if you want to keep the original one you can keep that. I am okay with this one. After doing this, I'll click on the tick mark. You can see the picture is saved over here with the number 1. You can continue taking your pictures. Right now I'm taking the second picture. I'm again tapping on the camera icon. I'll adjust it again. This time I need to rotate it as well, so I'll click on the circle and it is rotated. Now I'm going to adjust it as per my wish. So I have adjusted it, and again I am doing the editing part. Okay, so I'm done. I'll just again click on this tick mark, and now I have done with my pictures. So I'll tap on this tick mark again. After tapping, you can see that your two pictures are converted into one file. Page number 1 and page number 2. You can simply scroll on the screen to look at it. Come back. Now, this is your new saved document. You can see here the 3 dots. When you click on these 3 dots, you can change the name of it by clicking on rename option. Suppose I am writing something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any name I am writing, and after typing the name, just click on OK. So we have successfully renamed it. If you want to perform other operations on it, like you want to share it anywhere, you can definitely share it also by clicking on the share option. You can save it to your gallery, you can copy it, you can move it to another folder, and we are done. So in a very simple way, we have created our PDF.